Okay, so this is what you're going to do when you're on my blog. So we're here on the main page, and obviously this is the main post that I've done. On the side here you can see author and archives, so you can see like when I posted things and updated things, but here you can see all the categories I did. So this blog here was in my opinions, and when you're on my opinions you can keep scrolling, and after that I have another one. Or you can just do this. You just go to January and see what I posted in January. Like here I posted Be Your Own Fantasy Hero. Where else? Or you can go to all categories. And so as you're scrolling down, previous, you can see what I posted previously. And like, when do our opinions become our own? That was the previous one. And then previous before that one, failure, what I wrote about failure. I have one comment. You go previous before that, and then my first ever post. And then you go up here where it says about, all about why I did this, and then how you could like contact me. And I even included all my socials down here. So yes, that is how you work it.